how to create a double stroke on Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started right now. So first we need to create a new file and create an object. Let's create a shape. As you can see, we create a rectangle tool, a shape with like this, or we can add simple text. Let's type the letter A and increase its size, as you can see. So we're gonna apply the double stroke here and here. So here, as you can see, after we are selecting this layer, there are two options if you need to add a stroke. You can double click here around the layer in an empty area like this, or you can go to the FX and click on it and click on stroke. So as you can see, now stroke is ticked. Make sure to tick it and choose the stroke color. Let's choose a different color. Let's choose this, and let's make the stroke 10 pixels. So it's now okay. As you can see, there is a stroke here. So after this stroke is created, what you should do now is clicking on Alt or Option in Mac and drag the stroke layer. We're gonna hover over it, click on Option or Alt and drag it to below. Drag it to this, and now our stroke is duplicated. Let's right click on it and click on blending options and set the stroke to 5 pixels. This is the inner stroke, and make this into another color. Let's make it yellow, for example. Make it like this and click on OK and change it into inside. Okay, here we did it here. Let's make it again for this letter. There is now another way in order to add double stroke. You can simply double click on this, go to stroke and click on the plus button here. As you can see, these are two different strokes. Change this into inside, make this 5, which is much smaller than the first one, and make this into yellow or whatever it is. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.